Well, I'm back again, head-to-head double sound comparison. Kiwaya Luna LC-2 against Blue Wing Ukuleles, all solid mahogany number 5. Both concerts. I used to say a chorus, but I got a soprano now, so I got to stipulate. Well, pretty much enough said, I guess. Let's get to playing some tunes. We'll start with the Luna here. This right here was a gift to me by a dear friend, Ukulele Underground. Absolutely stunning instrument. I would say that an amazing ukulele don't make you play better, but it does, because you pick it up more and you play it more and you get better. So I'd be a whole lot worse if it wasn't for this Kiwaya Luna. I know it wasn't great. Anyways. Stop playing down them when we get started. Kiwaya Luna LC-2. Strung with aNueNue Clearwaters. That's what I'm fixing to change this to. Currently Martin m600s on this one. And they're very wore out and frayed. I'm even getting a little bit of buzzing on one of them, I think. I think that's just all because of how wore out they are. I've got notches in them and everything. Just from 3 weeks. Pretty hard playing, but still, just 3 weeks. I mean, come on. There's a buzz there on that. It's definitely nothing with the ukulele. I have played the power out of this thing, and buzzes on strings irritate me. I notice them. This one has developed. I first thought it was I had a little area on my nut slot, but anyways, I think it's the strings are so wore out. We'll find out when we change them. Even them bad strings and a buzz, I mean, that sounded pretty dang good. Probably enough on that. There's another video recorded against against LaPrenzi. So you can always listen to that one if you want to hear this one a little bit more. And fixing to hear a little bit more of it when I get these strings changed. A couple of days, let them settle, and I'll be back. So tune back in and see if the Blue Wing can do even better than what it's already doing. All right, I certainly appreciate you. Thank you.